May kasama ka ba?
Pagod na ako, ah! So this is the look. It's super see-through. So what I did, I pulled out a Moulin Rouge Crazy Horse. I put foundation on my... So then, there's no color. And then it's impossible to wear a bra. And you want to maintain their DNA. So that's the key. Just put makeup on.
And we're good then. Shoulder. Okay. Over your shoulder. Turn.
Ayan, takbo ba? Welcome to 7-Eleven. Ang bigat. Fresh as always, fresh. Parang it was smooth as butter, floating like clouds. Ang daming bag charms, new bags. Ang gaganda, ang daming gold accessory. Takot ako, kala ko na wala inis ko. Naku, lumabas yung mga aso, yung mga pusa! Hulihin at Italy!
Nagagana kami nun sa Milan eh.
Malay mo, malay ko! Malaysia! Ano pa mga baon kong ganyan? Si Arnold yan. Arnold, I miss you! Charot, wag.
Guwapo, ang galang wet!
Sige sa'yo! Francois, lahat na lang na tinawag ko. Tong, pakitong, alima. Sinisipa. Pwede ba akong gumamit?
Sa akin okay lang.
Saan mo makakahanap ng isa pang
Wala na!
Wala na naman eh!
Face out na yung ganun, sis. Smooth out ko
At
din
saka
yun.
ano siya yung limited edition na isa lang yung pinrod.
Yes. Mataganda ako sa nakapila dyan sa edition ni Cheese na yan. So sorry, sold out na po yun.
Invitation na hawak nila
That's
kanina.
why I was wondering how come I didn't have it. Ganyan.
Ang cute niya.
It's my favorite shape now. It's my favorite bag. This is the Lancaster bag. It's a smaller version, and this is what I will be wearing today. What is in my bag? What is in my bag? I have my mirror because I'm so vain. Edit out. What do I have in my bag? I have my mirror, of course, to check if I have lipstick in my teeth. I have my Mentos, the Fresh Maker, and then I have my concealer. And then what else? That. Yeah, it only needs time, and it's telling me it might be you.
Music video pala.
Naging karaoke na talaga. Di ba ganun yan?
Yan.
I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. Say that I was so wrong. Wow, may harmony. What are you thinking of? My God, you pick it up. Wala ka bang ano, ages dyan? Kangayaw mo na. Yes. Ang halik mo.
Sinong halik niya?
Chicas, naglalis ko. Bakit iniwan mo ako? Bakit nila puso ay masama?
Ang siya nararamdaman kahit mga halik ay nadarama.
May transition.
Dahil tanging ang siyang mahal.
Ate Reg, we love you, we miss you. Ang sarap nitong pag-ibig. Dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangako mo.
Yes.
Punta na tayo sa show.
Welcome to Paris!
It's raining again.
Shoulder! Thank you!
This rain.
What?
Pasok ate. Dito ka sana sa gitna, may. Basa ako.
I need alcohol lang.
Nabasa pa mo?
Sobrang basang-basa.
Sige, pupuntahin ko na lang ako dito.
Umuulan, paano ba ito? Mabasa ka, anak. Yung mata, ang bigat. Is it my ear? Kasi yung mata nakaganon eh. Hindi siya nakalakad.
Naka-new lounge
New
siya.
lounge? Oh my God. Hindi to Iconics, hindi to LA Lash. This is Galaxy Lash. Look at each other. It's the eyeliner. I'm so excited to go this. It's my favorite. I love Schiaparelli. It's like buying art for me. So I think of like the pieces that I know that the prices will go higher, something that's not common. And because I feel like after many years, everybody that kind of collected Schiaparelli will be like making history in a sense.
Hold the bag so I can see it. Beautiful. Oh, there's some. Okay.
Yes.
We love you, Miss Ha!
It was so good. Kendall Jenner, Adriana Lima, Irina Shayk, Victoria, and the clothes. All cinched waist, jumpsuits. I think it was a one piece though, I feel. Everything new. Resin, maroon resin, ganyan. It was so nice. Super sleek. Everybody was like in a tight, sleek bun. Ganda. Cannot explain. What a moment. Good night, people of the world.